Hello students, in this video we shall be doing the question and answers of Kedarnath Singh's Banaras. The first question was, why does the poet repeat the phrase slow motion in the poem several times? What does it say about the city of Banaras? The poet refers to the slowness of the city in terms of its lack of change. We say that something is progressing when it is capable of change or an event happens over a short period of time. Here, slowness is synonymous with the tradition and mythical nature of Banaras. The phrase so slow is repeated again and again to show the unchanged tradition that the city has been harboring for a long time. Though it has become a city and modernity has arrived there, the slowness that characterizes Banaras is paradoxical. What is significant about modern life is that it is a fast forward life. And what is significant regarding the city of Banaras is that though it is a modern city, nothing has changed over the city. Basically, the pulse and the vibes of the city and its religious and mythical nature has not changed. This slow motion is reflective of its conservative nature that has been preserved over the years. The second question was, identify the words and lines in the poem which suggest that the city of Banaras is full of contradictions. There are various contradictions or paradoxes in the poem. The first one was the place Lahartara, associated with Kabir, and Kabir is a symbol of contradiction in this poem because Kabir was associated with both Muslim and Hindu religions, being a convert, and yet he was critical of both. Manduadi is another paradox here. It has all the characteristics of an urban area, but it is not recognized as a town officially. So, it falls under the category of census town. In India, a census town is one which is not categorized as a town but whose population has urban characteristics. Dashwamedh is a ghat in Banaras, symbolic of both Brahma and Shiva. Therefore, it is paradoxical because Brahma is a creator and Shiva the destroyer. And if you look at some of the lines of the poem, the poet says that if you look at the city again, one half remains and the other does not. The half marked by tradition and religiosity remains, and the other half marked by modernity is not there. For it is the religious and conservative side that actually gives this place its identity. And again, the poet says that it is slowness that binds the city, while the signature of a city is its fast forward life. He mentions that in these particular lines, this slowness, this rhythm binds the city. And question number 3 was, what are the qualities you usually associate with a city? How is the city of Banaras different? The qualities we generally associate with the city are industrialism, life being fast, modern, and far from conservative. A city is far removed from myth and superstition. Industrialism in the city often overtakes its conservative values and mythical aspects. Banaras has also grown as an important industrial center famous for its muslin and silk fabrics, perfumes, ivory works, and sculpture. Though it has remained an important center of Hindu devotion, pilgrimage, rites, rituals, and traditional practices, and mysticism, as thousands flock to the city with the hope of salvation. It is marked by its slowness as opposed to the fast vibes of a city. As a city, Banaras holds the identity of religiosity as it is a home as it is home to numerous myths and legends. According to Hindu mythology, Varanasi was founded by Shiva, one of the principal deities. Also, if you look at the place Mandwadi at the beginning of the poem, it is actually a miniature symbol or a condensed form of Banaras, in that it has urban characteristics and yet it is not seen as a town. So, thank you, and that's all for today.